Hello friends, welcome to Pritha's Cooking House. My today's recipe is for health conscious people. People who used to go gym daily or who are very much health conscious or figure conscious. For them, I made this recipe. I hope it will be helpful for them. People who are very much health conscious, they usually don't want to eat maida or all-purpose flour. So I prepared this cake with atta or wheat flour. So let's begin with the process. Before that, I would like to remind you to subscribe my channel if not done yet, and please do like, comment and share my video. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring to bake this cake. I have taken here 2 cups of wheat flour or atta, 3 medium size bananas, half cup curd, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup sugar powder, 1 egg and half teaspoon of refined oil, or you can take butter also. So at first I will take 2 cups of atta or wheat flour into a mixing bowl. Then I have taken here 3 medium sized bananas and 1 egg and half cup of dahi or curd and some dry fruits. Dry fruits can be of your choice, but I have taken here cashew, raisins and almond. Then I need to mash the bananas very well. See, I have mashed all the bananas very well. I have taken here 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of sugar powder. Then I will add the sugar powder into this wheat flour or atta. Need to mix it very well. Then we'll add the baking powder and baking soda into this mixture, and again we'll start mixing it very well. After mixing all the dry ingredients, we'll add the mashed bananas into it. Then I will add 1 egg into this mixture and will mix it very well. Then finally we will be adding curd or dahi into the mixture and we'll start mixing it very well. You can use milk instead of curd. If you are very much health conscious and want to skip sugar, then you can obviously skip it, and instead of sugar you can use sugar free. After mixing all the ingredients very well, finally my cake batter is now ready. The thickness or consistency of the batter should be like this. See, now I have taken 1 microwave proof bowl. You can also take cake tin or cake bowl, and you need to grease the bowl with butter or oil so that it would be easy to demold the cake. Now finally I will be adding some dry fruits into this batter and again we'll mix it. After mixing the dry fruits, finally I will be adding some more dry fruits on the top so that the cake looks good after baking. In the meantime, I have preheated my micro oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. After preheating the oven, now I will bake my cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. See, after 10 minutes, my healthy banana cake is totally ready. Isn't it looking so yummy? Now see how much soft and how much spongy the cake is. After half an hour or 45 minutes, when the cake will be at room temperature, we will demold the cake. After demolding the cake, I have cut the cake into a small piece so that you can see how much fluffy and how much spongy the cake is. And also the cake is perfectly baked from all sides. This cake is a must try for all of you. People who are health conscious must try this cake. This is very yummy and very tasty and very healthy. And people who are not that much health conscious, those can try this recipe with maida or all-purpose flour instead of using atta. If you are using all-purpose flour, then the cake will be not that much healthy, but it will be much more tastier than atta cake. I hope this video was helpful for all the health conscious people, and if you like the recipe, then please like, comment and share the video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more such recipes like this. I will be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and bye.